This has been my overhead rig for quite a while now. It's been working out pretty well, but I decided that I needed something for my new projector camera that's coming in so that I could enlarge some pictures onto canvas and other prints. So I ended up getting the NEEWER overhead rig, which we'll show in a second. Okay, my NEEWER overhead camera mount has just arrived, and let's see exactly what it looks like. It's kind of light. I expect it to be a little more heavy than this, but what? Are you serious? Nah, just joking. It's already been unboxed. The unit comes in a fairly large box because it has a horizontal span of 4 feet and a vertical span from 2 to 4 feet. I'm getting my old rig out so that I could use to get this particular shot. Let's open up the accessory package. So we have a small instruction manual that's pretty good, but I don't think we're going to need that. Extension mount here, and a telescoping phone mount, which I have a couple of those already. This is the unit I'm looking more for, and I may have to buy another one of these in the future. So this unit straps up to the center with a bar, like so. Oops, fumble fingers. So that straps up to the center of the bar here. All right, I haven't gotten my projector unit yet, but it screws directly onto this mount here as well. And of course you could use the phone mount and then put your phone inside there. All right, so far I'm happy with it. When the projector comes in, we'll see exactly how that fits.